Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I will be reviewing and installing this dual easy film screen protector from Ringke for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'm gonna try to do this on camera. I'm gonna try to do it as quick as possible and show y'all, how to do it. Hopefully this works out well. I have used the easy film in other curved display and it works out pretty well. Hangs out, it works out and it lasts for a pretty long time with your device. And they have made some improvements to it, a little bit easier to install now too. And we will check all that out in this video. I need to give a shout out to them for sending it out to me for a review. And we'll see what it does. Same packaging from Ringke as far as the dual easy film. I have other ones in the bag. Now it has instructions on here. Normally Forest Tech Reviews say, hey, don't read instructions. Take the time, read these instructions, go look online. They even have videos on how to do it and read it. Now you can also use this video as a tool too. But if you want a little bit more instructions, you can get it right on the back of the case. Let's see what you get in the box. So you get two of them, so in case you mess up, I'm just kidding. But yeah, if you do mess up, you have two of them. And then you get your little book here, or a little packet here. Looks like you have some wipes, some screen wipes, some alcohol wipes, a squeegee board, microfiber cloth, cleaning lens, and then you have this adapter here. And you have the little adapter piece holder. I think this just comes off. So depending on what you have, like USB Type-C or if you have the lightning bolt, it has a different design on it. So how you tell is this little piece here, the one that has a little hole, is a USB Type-C. This is for the lightning bolt if you're doing it for, say, an iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is turn off your phone, which my phone is already off. I'm gonna try to get this on camera. You want to take your wipe and wipe down your phone. I think that is pretty common sense. I don't think y'all need to really watch me do this. Now, they do not include a dust remover or dust like little remover stickers, because the film itself has a layer that's supposed to take all the dust off. This is just removing the oils on your hands and everything else. Then you want to take your little microfiber cloth here and wipe this down. Wipe it down good. Alright, the next thing is to find your film. Then you also insert this into your charging port. Carefully, don't push it in. Once you find you get your screen protector, you want to find the number 1, which is up here. You peel that off. Then you want to place this in here using these little lineups. Trying to wash this and make sure it looks good on camera is a lot harder than what it seems. Let's see if I turn it this way. I'm glad they have these little holes to line it up, because if not, you'll be in trouble. Okay, once you get it installed, you can take out some of the bubbles by doing this. Get some of the bubbles out. But the main thing too, you want to put this piece back on so it doesn't move. So that way it stays in place. The next step is you look for number 2, which is up here. What you want to do is fold it halfway back right? Fold it halfway back and take your squeegee and just get it going. Maybe. It's a lot harder on camera than trying to get it on camera and do it at the same time. There we go. I think I got it. Maybe. The phone keeps on wanting to move, and I'm trying to make sure it's on camera. If I can get it to go. Normally it's not this hard, but I am trying to look at the camera. There we go. So what this does is remove any dust bubbles at the same time and install the screen protector on there. If you have any bubbles on it, don't worry, they will go away within 1 to 2 days. That took a little bit longer than what I wanted to. But now what you can do is, since this is down, you can take this out. You take this piece off, right? You take this out, and you do the same thing. You want to fold it back and kind of push forward. Hopefully it goes a little bit easier this time. And just like that. And then what you do is remove the bubbles. Now you might have a little bit of little bubbles in the middle, especially when the screen protector comes together. And that's okay. That is okay because they will disappear. Now what you want to do is take off number 4 slowly. And what number 4 does is releases the film. And the reason why they call it the wing is because these pieces go on your frame. And again, don't worry if you have bubbles. Like I was saying, the best time of doing this is maybe at nighttime right before you go to bed. Because that way you don't have to worry about putting a case on. And then all the bubbles, by the time you wake up, should be gone. As you can tell, I have a little bubbles there. I have some at the top. I even have this one at the bottom. Now, I could probably work these out. But I know for a fact that they will disappear. Look, that one already got worked out. They will go away within 1 to 2 days. It even says it on the installation. The screen protector goes around the power button and the vine rockers. And the bottom down here kind of wraps around the phone. That's why it's called a wing. And if you have an extra wipe, what you can do is wipe it down too. So wipe it down like this. If I have any problems or any updates, I will let y'all know. But let's see. Do you have problems with the fingerprint scanner? I don't think you will. Another thing, make sure you clean off your sides because you don't want the sides to be dirty. Alright, let's see if I can unlock it with my fingerprints. No issues there. Either fingerprint, I mean, it works just as good. Face unlock. If I can get around the camera or in the camera. It says not matching. There you go. Alright, so face unlock works. The last thing that people are going to ask is how does a pen feel? And let's find out. So when you write on it, not bad. You can kind of feel that, I mean, you're touching plastic, but the pen seems really responsive too. Overall, no issues there either. So I will be rocking with this. If I have any updates, I will let y'all know about it. But so far, so good. If you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. That way you can pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video and installation guide, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.